Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to clear cookies on Bing browser. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to www.bing.com. After that, you need to go and log into your profile or register to Bing if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the middle of the screen, we have the search bar where you can go and search for anything that you like. In the top right corner, we have your profile and everything with that. We have your history here, everything about your story to Bing. And in the bottom, we have all the latest news. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and clear cookies on Bing browser. So first of all, go to bing.com as I told you to start the video. And unlock the three horizontal lines, the menu icon, in the top right corner of the page. So as you can see, this is the one. Click on there. Click on privacy from the drop down menu. So you basically need to go and click on privacy. So it is the sixth option here. Then scroll down to this section on managing your activity data and click cookies when you of course sign in here. Then click on clear all to delete cookies from your browser. And the cookies will then of course be deleted. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.